guys, today I'm gonna take you to a very local place, but fun fact, a lot of Japanese actually come here. They have a very unique therapy where you'll be buried alive. So this place is called Usada Pak Oles. Usada is actually means the traditional Balinese healing, either it's through wisdom or through medicine. Alright, let's get buried! Hello! Here there are two kinds of therapy. First, the Balinese one, the massage. And the second one, the buried therapy. This buried therapy comes from Japan called Tsunamushi, but here they use bokashi instead. So before I get buried, I want to try the massage therapy first. They usually use the Balinese signature massage, which combination of deep tissue and relaxation. They also use bokashi oil, so I think it's gonna make it even more relaxed. And yeah, let's go to the massage room. I just finished with the massage therapy and this is really different. She literally hit the point where you get your pain, and now I'm going to go to the second therapy, which is the bokashi therapy where you'll be buried, but I need to change to this. Alright, so yeah, so this is the outfit. It covers everything. And now I'm going to the buried therapy room. Again, our things here. Alright. So this is where you'll be buried. Not gonna lie, I was a little nervous going into the grave. I'm going in. It felt a little bit hot at first when I lay down. But once the stuff slowly covered me with the bokashi sand, it turned into a cozy world. Coming from the fermentation of bokashi, made from wood particles and spices. This therapy is great for detox and improving blood circulation. The maximum time is 30 minutes, but it really depends on how much heat you can handle. Don't push yourself or you might get dehydrated. Okay, so I already 5 minutes in here, and honestly it only feels like cozy warm for me, but for now I'm starting to sweat, but it's still good for me, so let's see how long I can tolerate this. Honestly, it felt like a sauna. They renew the fermentation every week. Day 1 is the hottest, day 7 is the warmest. So if you want it comfy and easy, go on day 7. The staff were super helpful. They even wiped the sweat off my face, and I lost about 20 minutes. Okay, it's getting hot. I'm sweating like crazy. I think this is enough. So I'm just finished and changed the pajamas to kimono, and now I need to sit down, cool down, and then have a shower. Makasih ya, Pak. Finally, I can feel my body feels so light, so refreshed. I'm still sweating a little bit, but it's so much better. I already changed my clothes. Anyways, you can try this therapy at Usada Pak Oles, and here's the price list. So yeah, this is the end of the video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.